Meaning of detector.
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 Detector. The term detector refers to a device or instrument that is used to identify, measure, or detect the presence of something. Detectors can be found in a wide range of fields, from physics and chemistry to biology and medicine. They are used to study fundamental particles, detect radiation, monitor the environment, and identify chemicals, among other things. Detectors can be extremely sensitive and precise, allowing researchers and scientists to study phenomena that may be invisible to the naked eye. Overall, detectors play a crucial role in many scientific and technological applications.